viewers, welcome back to Paradigm Shift Tarot. As always, I'm Devrupa. I'm an astrologer, also tarot reader. If you're new to this channel, we discuss about astrology, tarot readings, your future, your past, and what could possibly be happening to you right now as well. So if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. And if you don't like them, you can put them in dislike, that's fine. I'm good with criticism. Okay? Today's topic is a bit different because it's not a extended thing. Okay, it's not about your past or your future. It's just about what Christmas is bringing as a gift to you. What good things is happening in Christmas. Today's video has nothing to do with bad things. Okay, today is the day of good things only. So before Christmas, I wanted to do this video for a so long time now. It's about the gifts that you're getting from the ultimate Santa Claus, the universe, okay? So, let's see. Let's get started. As you don't know, maybe, it's like a pick a card set. If you're new to this, let me explain. There will be 3 cards. You have to choose any one card. Timestamps are given below. Go and check. Forward the video to the pile you have chosen. Suppose you chose 2 and it is starting from 13 minutes. Forward the video to 13 minutes, watch it and let me know if it resonates with you in the comment section. That will actually help you to manifest the gift, okay? Let's get started, don't delay more. Bye, see you there. Yeah pals, welcome back here again. So this is my 5 card spread. I hope you can see all the cards. This is card number 1. This is with this pink stone. Then there is card number 2 with this orange color stone. Then there is card number 3 with the violet stone. Then there is card number 4 with the blue stone. And the final one, the 5th card, is yellow color stone, okay? So, pink, orange, violet, blue and yellow. All these cards, as you know, will talk about the gifts that are coming to you in Christmas. So let's not delay more. Let's see what universe has to gift you this Christmas. And also happy Christmas in advance. Hope you guys are enjoying cakes and cold drinks and having a good family time as well as enjoying with your friends, okay? Now I'll be starting with this card number 1. All the timestamps are given below in the comment section, also in the description box. You just have to, whether you choose this pink one or orange one, you just have to go down there, see the timestamp, fast forward the video to the timestamp or the chosen one, and then just watch it, okay? If you like the video, if it resonates with you, as I always say, don't forget to like. And let's get started. Here, pile number 1. Those who chose this pink stone, stay tuned for your reading. Let's see what good gifts will the universe give you during this Christmas. The first card out is Happy Family. These are the oracle cards, all tied up, I see. Now the tarot cards, as we can see, is the 9 of Pentacles and the Death. Okay, let's clarify the cards. With this set of cards, what I can see is there are certain situations in your life that, no, there are certain situations, I don't think not situations, it's a situation, a particular situation in your life that is keeping you tied to something. You're shackled up with some memories or something, or maybe it could mean that there are family responsibilities that you're tied up to, because happy family can and all tied up. Maybe there are responsibilities that you need to fulfill in order to have this happy family. With this 9 of Pentacles and the Death card, what I can see, you guys are becoming single after ending something. This Christmas you're becoming the new you, okay? So this 9 of Pentacles is the sister card for this Empress, okay? Empress card is something that signifies Venus. Venus is all about beauty, luxury, someone who looks beautiful, does beautiful, talk beautiful. So I feel like you guys are growing up to something very beautiful. Okay, in this Christmas you are this little flower that is blossoming into something more, something nice, something very gorgeous. People see you becoming very independent, very into your world, very much creative, and all good stuff. Okay, so I feel like you are ending certain situation that you have been tied up to. There were shackles that was kind of restraining you, that was kind of that was not letting you take certain steps in your life. But in this Christmas you are becoming and growing into this beautiful Nine of Pentacles mode, where you are this all Empress, where you are the Venus, you run the show. Okay, showstopper vibe that I get. Let's clarify two cards. Nine of Cups and also the Knight of Swords. Once you release this certain thing from your life, the situation or the person or wish that you have been holding on to for so long, the moment you give up your hope on that, the moment it comes towards you. So with this cards, I feel like there is a quick wish fulfillment for all of you. Okay, maybe there are certain wishes that are coming true just like this, just in a blink of an eye. Okay, this reading is very, very, very positive. And also with the happy family card, maybe you guys are spending your Christmas at home due to this quarantine situation or something. I see you guys enjoying having party, a good conversation with your parents. In general, happy home, happy family vibe that I get. Okay, this was your reading. If you want to know more, check out my other videos and see you in the next videos. Bye. Here, pile number 2. Those who chose this orange stone, let's proceed with your reading. The first card, oh my god, this is so nice. The first card is about your gifts. This card literally represents gifts. Okay, walking away. Oh, I see. What are you walking away from? Six of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. See, I get two different storylines over here. Okay, one is once you leave a situation that has been imbalanced in your life, once you walk away from a situation. Six of Pentacles is a card of balancing. Okay, so maybe there is an imbalance, possibly in a love offer that has been made to you, and you feel imbalance in that, and you are just walking away from it. It could possibly be the case for some of you, or for others it could be like in this Christmas you guys are getting a new love offer where there is a equal give and take in the situation. Maybe you dealt something in the past where there was imbalances, there was not equal give and take. One person felt like he or she gave it all, and the other person was breadcrumbing you. And finally I see this woman, all gorgeous, walking away by this door and walking towards her gift. So this gift is here. See how the cards actually relate. I don't know if you can see it or not. I just hope you can see it. So if you see, like, this woman, I don't know if you can see it, but let's see, this woman is actually walking away from the door towards the gifts that is here. So see, I like the direction. Okay, maybe you are giving that last look of goodbye to the person you are leaving or to the situation. You're like, bye, thank you, next sort of vibe I get. And here there is all sorts of gifts and fruits that are waiting for you. Let's clarify even more into it. Knight of Swords. I would like to give it a shuffle first. Clarify this Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Two of Pentacles. Pal, if you have been indecisive about a certain situation in your life and you are like, maybe a love offer is made to you and you don't know whether to accept it or not, maybe you are being indecisive. Literally, these two cards mean balancing out something. Okay, maybe you're balancing out something in your life. Okay, whatever new love that is coming to you, I definitely see it as someone who is more like you, who likes the songs, or you guys may share certain similar traits, like maybe your playlist and their playlist is same. Just giving an example. In general, these two cards mean a soulmate connection, a pure soulmate connection. Maybe your soulmate is walking up to you this Christmas. Who knows, right? So maybe like you guys are stuck in a situation where there has been a lot of imbalance and you're juggling so many things at the same time, or there is more than two options and you don't know what way to go, or there is a situation that you have been dealing in the past and there is a new situation and you don't know whether to go for this new love or not. With this cards, I feel like, pal, you should definitely go for this love. With this Two of Cups and the Ace of Cups, it's pure love. Okay, I see you enjoying, having a lot of good things, a lot of love actually, and balance overall in this Christmas. I'm just happy to see that, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Hey, pile number 3. You guys chose this violet color. Let's see what is there in the bag for you in Christmas. The Angel of Balance. Okay, so you guys are seeking balance. You guys are coming to this position of equal give and take. There is some sort of equilibrium that is coming back to your life. And with the storm warning, okay, I see this storm as not something negative. Okay, though it can feel negative for the moment, but I more see it as something good. This storm, after storm, what we see after storm only we get the rainbow, right? So maybe you are facing the storm right now, and it's the storm over here is actually offering you the balance, the rainbow. Rainbow is about happiness. Okay, the Chariot and the King of Wands. Okay, someone is making a move. Maybe someone is actually coming towards you in a very strong way. Someone is moving ahead. Someone is taking the charge of their life, and it could be a fire sign, maybe a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius who is coming towards you, or it could be a Cancer, or you could be a Cancer, or with this King of Wands, I feel like someone who is very young, tall, handsome, or if it is for men, then it could be like you might be getting or meeting a girl who is very creative, who is very passionate in general, or you could be meeting a Cancer. And this with this whole set of cards, I feel like maybe this King of Wands with this offer, and after taking this charge in their life, or this is you who is finally saying, you know, I don't want anyone to interfere with my decisions, and I want to take control of my own life. I want to ride my own chariot, and that's why maybe there is a lot of storm that is happening. A storm is coming. Storm warning is often a card that, okay, the storm is coming to your life to teach you certain things, to bring you this balance, to bring you that rainbow. Let's clarify. Knight of Swords and the Eight of Pentacles. I would like to clarify even more actually. This set is kind of interesting actually. The cards out. The Star, the High Priest. It could be someone from the past, okay? Could be someone who is very who is expected, okay? I don't see anything like it's sudden. I feel like yeah, it's sudden, but you have been expecting a call from them or a text from them, and someone might be saying, hey, let's just work on it, okay? Or this could just be you. This is you fulfilling your dreams with a blink of an eye, and also working towards your dreams. Okay, maybe there is some sort of travel that is happening in the month of January, for you guys, which could bring you a lot of stability in your life in general. Also, I see you guys working on something. Here is a Pisces energy as well, and with the star card, it could be Aquarius or someone with the water in their chart. Also, I see the sign of Cancer and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If it is you, then that's better. If it is not you, then this could be someone who is coming to you and asking you for like a chance to work on things, and they are hoping that you will go with the flow and you will just say, yeah, okay, let's work on it. But as I see with the High Priest, you might agree to work on it, but you have a lot of secret inside. You are, this time around, you are keeping things to yourself and not revealing yourself right away. Maybe you are not being vulnerable at this moment and you are like, okay, let's take time, let's see what can happen. So this is what I see overall, but I see a lot of working on yourself. It could also mean with this cards that you are just working on yourself. You are trying to preserve yourself this Christmas and making move, taking charge of your life. So with this card set of cards, I feel like pile number 3, you're finally the boss of your life. You're finally on the driver's seat, okay? This is what I see with these cards, and I see you on my next video. Till then, take care, have some wine and relax, okay? Chill. Hi, pile number 4. You guys chose this yellow stone. Let's see what is there in the back for you in Christmas. The rest and rejuvenation. Okay, this Christmas you guys are taking blankets, buying chips and popcorns and watching Netflix, something like that. Or you guys are generally doing yoga, taking deep breaths, resting a lot. Maybe like you guys have been working for a long time and spirits are like, no dude, you won't be working this Christmas at least. You gotta take rest. Maybe you are someone who is very busy and you just get the holidays to take rest for. Caring connection, I see. Could be a friendship, could be a love, could be a work situation, could be anything, okay? This pile, this is the only pile that has got 3 cards. I don't know how, but this is kind of interesting actually. Page of Cups, Queen of Swords, 3 of Pentacles. I see Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, an air sign. Who can be coming to you as a business partner, as any partner, like a friend of yours or an old friend that you are building your partnership upon. Also with the Page of Cups, I see like maybe someone like Libra, Gemini, Aquarius who is making a move towards you, and they are coming with a message like, hey, haven't seen you for a while. And maybe they are very caring in the nature and they are like, okay, let's make this friendship happen again, let's have that fun again. And in general it could also mean like you are a Libra, Gemini or an Aquarius, an air sign, and you in general is enjoying our beautiful connection, staying at home, watching Netflix, having fun. Also with the Page of Cups, could be receiving a lot of happy Christmas messages from your friends or groups. And with the Queen of Swords, I see you guys becoming someone very clear cut. This woman who is coming towards you, okay, if it is a woman or a man, doesn't matter. This air sign is very clear cut. So maybe in your friend circle, someone is very clear cut, someone who says the truth, someone very straightforward, and you have a friendship, lovely friendship with them. They are messaging you like, let's spend some time together, let me take care of you, okay, that sort of vibe. And you might be visiting each other at each other's place and just resting, rejuvenating all together. Let's clarify these cards. The day, that could be a Capricorn, okay, could be a Capricorn. I see your earth signs, the Lovers, and the 5 of Pentacles. I definitely see it as someone, an old friend or an old love situation that is coming towards you, or who is coming towards you is a old lover who is coming and giving you this message of friendship. maybe someone ghosted someone, or someone felt like the other person left abruptly. There was a situation where either one of you felt like the other person ghosted, the other person left you out in the cold, and maybe that person is finally in this Christmas messaging you and saying ki, hey, let's walk out on it, let's be friends again. And you might be agreeing as well. Maybe they are caring, or this maybe you have walked away from the situation and left them out in the cold, or you making the move. Whatever I see, there has been certain toxicities which is still there, but for the Christmas I see you guys enjoying and just keeping this toxicity away with this Queen of Swords. But you need to take care of this at least later part of December, whatever toxic situation you guys are in. Maybe it is like a connection where it was more about physical stuff, no emotional stuff, and that is the toxic thing you guys had. Also with the Devil card, I see you guys maybe drinking and smoking and doing stuff like that a lot. Okay, could be an addiction that you have, which is like maybe you're doing it just as a rest and rejuvenation process during 25th December, which could bring you some health issues. I think you should not be doing it, whatever it is. Up to fun, it's fine, but if it is hampering your health, you should not be doing it. Okay. I definitely see someone who has left you or you left them is coming back as a friend. You guys chilling, enjoying, though there is some toxicity that we will take care of after finishing this Christmas maybe. So whatever your technique or method is in this relationship, I see it as something that has a potential to work out in future. Okay, so just keep that in mind and take care. Don't drink much. Take care of your liver, of your health, and see you in the next video. Bye. Hey pile number 5, let's see what is there in the back for you guys. You guys chose this blue stone. Let's see. Christmas, huh? Strategy, Angel of Strength, the Star, and the King of Swords. Okay, first of all, I see like you might have been strategizing about a wish of yours. Maybe you want to make something happen and you have been strategizing, writing in paper, collecting information, putting them in places for a wish of yours, which is finally happening during this Christmas. I see definitely. This could be you. This is the King of Swords energy. This could be you. You may be an air sign, or you may have a lot of air in your chart. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So it could mean like you are getting certain clarity. You are speaking your truth. You are standing for yourself this Christmas, and finally you are talking about your dreams to others that you have been strategizing. Maybe your wish is coming true and you didn't tell anyone about this particular wish of yours before, and after it comes true, you are just telling people ki, yeah man, I made this wish and this came true, right? Also you have had put a lot of effort with this Angel of Strength, or there is a wish of yours that you're making in 25th that you need to put all your strength and work and hard work in. You should be strategizing about it. More of, I see it as something that you've been doing for a long time now. You've been putting your strength, you have been strong, and you have been wanting this star, this wish of yours to come true, which is finally coming true. You could be an Aquarius or someone in your work field, or in this wish that you're making, or someone in your family, or someone in general could have Aquarius. You could be Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus sign. Okay, because I see a strong Aquarius vibe over here. Also the King of Swords, it could mean like maybe you got into professions like law or journalism where you just have to speak the truth, and you have been hard time accepting your dreams, talking about your dreams, and you're finally doing it. Clarifying cards. The 5 of Pentacles. Okay, I didn't shuffle the card. I need to shuffle it. So just stay tuned. Hold on with me. Okay, 10 of Wands and the Fool. Okay, so 10 of Wands, I definitely see like you guys have been showing a lot of strength until now, and you have been defending yourself, walking so hard towards this wish of yours. And with the Fool card, I see you guys beginning. Maybe the wish that you have been making is finally start to fulfill. Okay, once you take maybe like you have been like in the same pattern for a while, working on the same project, being monotonous, doing all these mundane works, and you are like, oh god, I can't take this anymore. And in 25th you are like, I would just want to release all of this, and I just want to begin something new, something truthful. Okay, this could also mean like you have been strategizing about something else, and you're dropping that, and you're like, I'm not doing it anymore. I want to go for my dreams, I want to fetch my dreams, I want to chase my dreams. And you see this Fool, you are taking this leap of faith, you're jumping off the fence for the dream of your life, that the dream that you have been wanting for so long. And maybe there were people who used to say, this dream of yours is not going to work, and now, and maybe before you would not say anything, and now you are like, it will work. You're defending your position. Okay, Page of Wands and Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I see you guys getting a small victory, but a victory. Okay, maybe a small success, a quick success. Or also with the Six of Pentacles, you guys are finding a lot of balance once you release all the burden that has been like clouding the sky for you, and you finally getting a stability. Okay, mental stability more I see it as, because you're dropping off all the burdens that you had in this December. Okay, so this is a lovely reading for all of you, and I just pray before universe that all the struggles that you have been putting and all the efforts that you have been giving will come back to you. So whatever it may be, this December is you guys ultimately doing or chasing your dreams, which is a good thing to see. Also, just take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.